Hey student, this is your maths teacher and here we are going to discuss the question which based on area of circle. In the last video we have already discussed the question that based on area of circle and I hope that you understood everything. In this section we shall discuss some important question as well as the question is with the standard level and I hope that you will enjoy the video. So I think there may be a silly mistake by mistake is considered in the video. So if you are able to solve, otherwise whenever you will come in the school then I will clear it physically. So student, without wasting the time, let's start with the question and let's see the question. And the question is here: a circular mirror of radius 21 cm is surrounded by a circular frame of width 3.5 cm. Then find the cost of making frame at the rate of 15 rupees per meter per centimeter square. So this is the question and now let's see its solution. There is a circular mirror. Now let us consider this is a circular mirror. Okay, and it has a frame. It has a frame like this. Okay, so this is your frame. This is a circular mirror and this is a frame, circular frame. The radius is given as, the radius of the circular frame is 21 centimeter, and the width of the circular frame is 3.5 centimeter. You can consider that including the width of this frame, we have a external circle, this, and the radius of this is 24.5 centimeter. Okay, so there are two circles. So you can consider this image as a concentric circle. And now let us find out the area of this width, this circular part, this circular frame, because the cost is to be asked this circular frame. So in order to find the cost of this circular frame, we need to find out the area of this circular frame. In order to find the area of circular frame, we have to find out the area of internal circle as well as outer circle. After getting the area of the both circle, we shall find out the area of the width by subtracting the area of external circle and the area of internal circle. So let's find out the area of the internal circle. So here we write let radius of inner circle is R1 and radius of outer circle is R2 and the value of R1 is 21 centimeter and this is 24.5 centimeter. So this is the radius. And now let's find out the area of inner circle. Area of inner circle. So the area of inner circle is pi r1 square. This is the area of inner circle. Now substitute the value. We have 22 by 7 into square of 21, or it can be written as 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21, and here we get 22 into 3 into 21. So this is the solution after simplification. Now find out the product of 22 into 3 into 21. First of all, we have to find out the product of 22 and 21, and after that we find the product of 21 and 22 and 23. So the product of this is 263. Sorry, 262. The product of 22 and 21 is 462, not 262, that is 462. If you are confused, then you can find like this: 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4, and you will get 264. So here we get 264 into 3, and the product of 264 and 3, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 18, and 2 4 is 12, plus carry 130 centimeter square. So this is the area of internal circle. The area of internal circle is 1386 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the area of external circle. Now area of external circle. Area of external circle. The area of external circle is given as pi r2 square. The area of external circle is given by pi r2 square. Now substitute the value. We use the value of pi as 3.14 and the radius is 24.5 square. So it can be written as 3.14 into 24.5 into 24.5. And now we have to find out the product of these. In order to simplify, we write them in the form of decimal fraction. So it can be written as 314 upon 100 into 245 upon 10 and 245 upon 10. Is that clear? And now subtract, divide 5 to the 10 and 5 4 the 20. Here we have 5 4 the 20 and 5 9 the 45. Similarly, we divide 5 to the 10 and 5 4 the 20 and 5 9 the 45. 2 1 the 2 and 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10 and 2 7 the 14. So here we get 157 into 49 into 49 upon 100 into 10. Is that clear? Now let's find the product of these. So we have product of this. So here we multiply 49 into 49. So 9 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 4 is 36, 36 and 8 is 44. Is that clear? And 4 9 is 36, carry 3, 4 4 is 16 and this is 19. Now add 1, 10, carry 1, 9 and 4, 13 plus 1, 14 and 2. So here we get 2401, and now multiply this by 157. 157. So 7 1 is 7, 7 0 0, 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 7 2 is 14 and 2 is 16. 5 1 is 5, 5 0 0, 5 4 is 20, carry 2, 5 2 is 10 and 2 is 12. 1 0 4 and 1. We have 7 5, 8 plus 1 9, 6, 3 and 4 7 and 1 plus 1. So student, we get the product as 3 7 3 7 6 6 9 5 7 upon 100 into 2. So when we divide, we get 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16 and 2 5 is 10 upon 100. So we have the value and this can be written as 188.785 centimeter square. So this is the area of external circle. And now let's find the area of frame. The area of frame. Area of frame is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. The value of pi r2 square is 1884.785. Is clear, student? Minus the area of internal circle. The area of internal circle is 1386. So here we write the area of internal circle is 1386. Now finding the difference. So here we write 1884.785 minus 1386.000. So we get 785. And the difference is 14 minus 6 is 8, 17 minus 8 9 and 7 minus 3 4. So here we get 498.785 centimeter square. Therefore total cost is equal to 498.785 into 15. Now multiply, we get 15 5 75, carry is 7, 15 8 120 and 7 is 127, carry 12, 15 7 105 and 105 is 100 and 12 117, carry 11, 15 8 120, 120 and 11 131, carry 13, 15 9 135, 135 and this 148, carry 40 and 15 4 is 60, 60 and 14 is 74. So decimal is 3. So the result is 7,481.775 rupees. So this is the required result and I hope it's clear. So So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.